Let's go to the bar street. Everything will be closed there, but we just want to pass by and see what exists there. Renovations are still going on. We are finishing up the last details. Right now putting the sand in between the tiles. So just a touch up.
Oh.
There's the short bar right here. Oh, Rob says last year he walked there in the bar street and it was loud. So there you guys, Jimmy's Irish Bar. Anyone who's been here, put a like. Say hello to Mehmet, my husband barber on your left. Mehmet kim? Barber Mehmet var mı burası?
Berber.
Berber Mehmet.
Diğer sokak.
Ah, other street. Okay.
Bye bye.
Yeah, this biggest one. Kitty or she. This is another one.
Wow, they're all closed right now. Look how dusty. Really. Oh, and some shoe shop in the bar street. Well, while you are having a beer, you might as well buy some shoes. Is Kitty still there? Kitties. Oh.
Perfect timing.
Well, that is loud. If every bar does that. Ow, ow. Ow, ow.
This wall is very old, I remember, over there.
Very nice, very nice. Look, this is Molly Malone's. The whole building is gone. Like, just the entrance is left, you know? And they are now rebuilding, just like everything else in Kuşadası. Maybe they'll rebuild the whole building from scratch. That is interesting. You know, when you do this, is a danger that the buildings on the sides, you know, fall
Well,
down.
yes.
So you have to protect the other old buildings next to it, who may have had the
It
support.
looks like restaurant or bar, something like that.
Yeah, interesting. This one is Alamut. Martina, yes, it's too loud for me too.
Yeah.
I feel like I've outgrown that. But when you have a beer and you just, I don't know, when you just want to dance, probably it's fine. But if you want to chat with someone, like, it's impossible. You have to scream, you know. Wow, there's a lot of men out hanging out here.
Coffee shop.
So I guess they're working on it. This one is like a nameless bar, but probably one of the bars. Look, like upstairs used to be this old tattoo salon. All the pictures are red right now from the sunshine. So you can see a lot of like middle of preparation, middle of like kind of like hanging out area right now. No tourists. It's interesting to
The
watch.
road ends with sex shop.
Yeah, don't say it loud.
You see the sign there?
Just-
Ends with sex shop.
This is interesting.
The barber is here, Mehmet.
We'll get there. Wait, where's the barber Mehmet?
I think it's here.
Yeah? This one right here?
Yeah, over there.
This little shop
I
right
don't know
here.
if he's open now. Gallery, there is gallery here. Can you believe?
Sweet Irish dreams. This one, Pancho's Mexican one. And it's for sale, you guys.
You know, in 2001, I used to work here, but it was different name. It was
In this Narcos?
a Dutch bar, like Harry's bar. Now they changed. The door was in the middle. The entrance was in the middle. Entrance was in the middle, Here, somewhere.
So they changed everything?
They changed a little bit.
Yeah, it looks very modern right now.
The famous log cabin used to be here. One of these log cabin. Very old bar here, very long like this. It looked like log cabin. One of the first bar. This one or that one? I don't know. One of these. Maybe this one.
Oh my god, everything is like so closed down, you know. So
Keep changing, you know.
empty and closed down. I don't know.
Here was Shamrock and Happy Center. Very old time was Happy Center. Happy Center bar. Paddy's, that's still on. Paddy's bar here.
Somebody lives there and they have their laundry there, so that means they get all
No,
this music.
someone lives up. There's like accommodation up there.
Staff.
Yeah.
After work, you go and you sleep and you come back to work.
This is Paddy's Irish bar. That one's still on. This is like famous like Jimmy's bar.
That is Irish bar. Looks like a nice place, just because of the huge, beautiful sign. Oh, Paddy's Irish bar. Yeah, this is nice. Oh my god, these buildings are, some of them are really like,
Construction there. We're gonna continue, turn left. We can turn left down.
can we like pass through them somehow? Oh, interesting. Oh wait, he said it's okay to show a little bit. Wow, look at this one. Oh, that's a very cool thing. So all these bars like have different styles inside. Look at this one, like they have columns and beautiful lighting. Very nice. Kolay gelsin. Bye bye.
Done.
He said it was okay to come and film,
Yeah.
so I did. Wow. Munchies. I like this name. Munchies. You know, you sit and munch. I guess on this fast food you munch. And the shark will eat you. What? What was spring? Huh?
Fast food.
Merhaba. What is this? Dring. Ne yapıyor? Dring. Hazır yemek.
Fast food.
Okay.
Food is ready.
Oh, monkey at the wall there. Kolay gelsin. Acısız. So it's not
Açız.
spicy.
No, açız. We are hungry.
And there's construction as well. Wow, newspapers. That's a little hard work they're doing.
Look.